Hello everyone, it has been a while since we have done a universal yum box, but it is school holidays, and this time, because it is December, we have got the holiday edition. So we will get right into it. The first one we have is marzipan bar with dark chocolate. Are we ready to try it?
Yep.
That's good. So that one is from Germany. Alright, what were we giving that one from Germany? Thumbs up?
Double.
Yum, that was a really good one.
I gave it a double.
Okay, the next yum that we have is from Poland. And this one is gingerbread with mint icing. So
Yay, more gingerbread.
Yeah. Oh, this showed it. They showed this on the sneak peek.
It did show that on the sneak peek. This is good. I did not think gingerbread and mint would go well together, but it does.
5 thumbs up. 5 thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
5
Good
thumbs up.
one. Yay to holiday. The next yum is from the Czech Republic. And this is mustard potato chips. Why the hell is this in a holiday one? This is an authentic
Wait, mustard.
Czech holiday feast.
Wait, did you say mustard's in it?
Yeah.
Oh, I hate mustard.
Oh, well. On December 24th, Czechs celebrate Stredry Den or Generous Day, when friends and families gather together to share a bountiful meal. And the signature spread is fried fish with heaping mounds of something I cannot pronounce, which is a zesty potato salad made with mustard, which is what the flavour of these chips is, which is why they're in there.
Yes.
Oh,
Spicy.
it is a bit spicy.
Spicy. Lily, can you give us your
It's
rating?
intense mustard, that one. What are we giving that one?
Yeah, 1.
You liked it?
Yes,
Wow. I'm going to give it a sideways.
Okay.
Very mustardy. I'm really excited to try this next one. It is from South Korea, and you can't really see it there, but it is like pink and spiky looking, and it is prickly pear yagua candy. So prickly pear flavored rice candy.
I'm having that whole thing.
Oh, this is Korea's most esteemed and fascinating holiday treat. It dates back to the year 918. I didn't even know that was a year.
Same.
What?
I did.
You did not.
Yes, I did.
918.
Oh. One
Thank
for
you.
you. One for you.
I
It
don't
looks like popcorn.
Wasn't dinosaurs already
Okay,
918?
No. It was created as a substitute for fruit in winter. Oh, that was you. Okay, you ready? We're going to try it?
Uh-huh.
That's got no taste. I'll take it back.
I can taste it. It tastes like
How can that be their most favourite food?
That's gross. That has no taste. Thumbs down.
Boring.
So the next treat is from Spain, and this is the San Andreas Crunchy Chocolate Turrón, which is a chocolate nougat with crispy rice. And this is a staple of Spain's winter festivities, enjoyed from December 25th through to January 6th.
Yes.
Yep.
Now, you ready? Oh, that's good. Thumbs up. Alright. The next one is from Taiwan.
Taiwan, I remember that place.
Yes, and we had this popcorn from them last time too. This one, though, is Pop Smile Sweet Egg Yolk Popcorn. Eggs, specifically the yolk, hold important significance to locals and are the focus of several holiday celebrations. During the summertime Dragon Boat Festival, the Taiwanese prepare special salted egg yolk dumplings, which are placed as offerings on the temple's altars. During the Mid-Autumn Moon Festival, locals celebrate the lunar cycle by making mooncakes, sweet pastries filled with egg yolks, and are meant to represent the full moon. That's not sweet.
Let's see how Lulu likes hers.
Oh Jesus, no.
Lulu, how do you
It's not
do
bad.
like yours?
I'm gonna give it a thumbs down. That was weird.
I'm gonna give it a sideways. It's not that bad.
It's got cheese powder in it. It's not. How is that sweet? The next holiday goodie is from Italy.
Oh,
And
no.
this
Oh,
is
Italy!
the-
I learned Italian.
Oh, this is a Piselli Penduru chocolate cream, which is a chocolate cream-filled pastry cake. Penduru, or Panduro, I don't know how to say it, translates to golden bread.
Good.
Italy.
Oh, it can take up to 30 hours to bake.
Bang!
Damn. That's good.
Yeah.
Is that good? It's like a delicious chocolate cake.
It's technically bread.
But it's a bit sweet. Thumbs up. That's a good one.
How long?
I know I'm gonna like the next one. This one is from Jordan. And this is the Japri mixed baklava, which is pastries with cashews and pistachios. I love baklava. Baklava is Jordan's favorite holiday treat.
Oh, Mum.
Made with a phyllo pastry, syrup, and nuts.
I'm going to eat this.
Mmm. Yes.
I'm going
You don't want it?
It tastes a little bit different to the Greek baklava that we eat regularly, but it is good still. Thumbs up from me. What are you giving it, Amelia?
Double.
Double? It's pretty good.
highlighted.
Okay. The next yum that we have is from Peru, and this is Sol del Cusco chocolate. Hot chocolate bar with cinnamon and cloves.
Chocolate bar.
We had a cinnamon chocolate in the last box, didn't we?
Yeah.
Yeah, big bar of cinnamon chocolate.
Yeah.
Oh. What?
What's in it?
I should have read the instructions. Hang on. This chocolate isn't meant for eating, it's meant for drinking. It's used to make a fragrant hot chocolate. God damn it! Okay. We're gonna tempt it with some hot milk. I'll pause this and we'll be back.
Hi.
Ah, I am my little baby. Ah. Dab, dab, dab to the baby. Hi, hi, hi to the baby. Nine, nine, nine to the baby. So now. Hi, hi, hi to the star. So here we have is the cake. Let's try.
So it's sort of chocolatey now. Obviously, as I haven't followed the exact instructions, it's probably not going to taste exactly the same.
When you blow on it, it makes heat.
Ooh, that's yum. Is that yum, Amelia?
Yes.
Look at that. Worked out. Thumbs up.
Double.
Just read the instructions first. Next one is from that's not it. Right. The next one is from
America.
the USA. So this is a jumbo raspberry Hammond-Tashkin. Can't say that. This is pastry of raspberry jam. It is a special treat created for the Jewish holiday of Purim? Purim?
The US is
Which
the
takes
USA.
place in March. This holiday celebrates the saving of the Jewish people from a royal advisor named Haman, who planned to get rid of all the Jews in ancient Persia. Rude.
I don't want to eat it. Is there red stuff supposed to be like blood?
Well, that's yum.
Is the red stuff supposed to be like blood?
We'll just try it. Other people say it is supposed to look like a three-cornered hat. Yum, yum, yum. Yum! Thumbs up. Thumbs up.
Well, I say...
Okay, the next one is from the UK. And
UK.
And this one is Stockley's mince pie fudge. So spiced fudge with raisins.
Oh, mint.
Mince.
I don't like mint.
I don't think I'm gonna like this, but let's see.
I'm not trying it. I'm not trying it.
That's quite nice.
It's not bad. I
I'm
don't
not
like
trying.
I don't like fruit mince. That one's not bad though. Compare it to a pie.
Bye.
I'll give it a thumbs up because that wasn't bad.
No, damn.
You didn't even try it. The next one is from China, and this is Cha-Cha Chinese Pecan Sunflower Seeds. So candied pecan flavored sunflower seeds. And did you know that Chinese New Year lasts for 15 days? I did.
I don't want to eat sunflower seeds.
Okay, you gotta pull the opening off. So you gotta crack them open.
Oh, like walnuts?
Like that.
No, I'm not done.
And then there's the seed inside. Oh, they're good. Yeah, they're not bad. I'll give it sideways.
Down.
I think it's fun cracking the seeds open with your teeth.
Yeah.
Next one is from the Netherlands,
Netherlands.
which is just we just did that box. So these ones are, I'm not gonna say the foreign name, Gouda and Edam cheese cookies.
Oh, good.
In the Netherlands, nothing screams Christmas like cheese.
Yep.
Yum.
I love Gouda.
Netherlands has got good snacks. Thumbs up.
How am I?
Okay, the next one is from the Czech Republic again. Lucky them. Alright, these ones are garlic potato chips. Hell yeah! Okay, before
What?
sitting down for a traditional Czech Christmas dinner, you need to check for a few things. Has the first star appeared in the sky? Is there an even number of place settings? Is there a bowl of garlic under the table? Locals can be quite superstitious about this important meal, and many believe that placing garlic under the table provides strength and protection in the year ahead.
Thank you.
Okay, we ready?
Nothing spicy.
Yum.
Lord, you have
Thumbs
to
up.
tell
The next one is from Jordan again, and this is,
More Jordan crackers.
yeah, Jabri Ferezik. Can't say that right. Standard. And these are toasted sesame seed cookies.
I wonder.
No. Not trying it. It is down, down,
Not
down.
bad.
Down, down, down.
It's fine.
It's fine. What are we giving those ones?
You're sitting on my skirt.
I'll give it sideways. Wasn't the best.
Now,
Wasn't
what
bad.
do we eat?
Next one we have is from Spain. This is the Snack Gold Raspberry Potato Chips. Raspberry flavoured potato chips. When the Spanish make their champagne toast to the new year, it's not just for good luck. Locals believe the toast can bring different types of luck depending on what you put in your glass. Seeking wealth, toss in a gold coin. Want to assure fidelity, drop in a wedding ring. Looking for love, drop in a raspberry. Okay. Oh, that's weird.
It's not bad.
I'm gonna give it a thumbs down.
Thumbs up! Thumbs up.
I'll give it a sideways. It's not too bad.
Next one we have got is from Germany.
John Money.
And these are marzipan candy potatoes. So German Christmas is all about marzipan. We already had something marzipan from them. They're the most famous for their appearance on the sweet plate, a traditional platter set out for the holidays.
Thank you. Hey, it's fine.
Thank you. No, it's squishy. Right, let me finish my chip.
God, I love marzipan. Okay, what are we giving that one? What are we giving our marzipan potato?
I've done lots of doubles
Thumbs
today.
up. Yum. This one is from Spain. We have got Almond Delights soft almond wafer candies. In Spain, this is the thing that puts everyone in a holiday spirit. They are made especially for the Christmas season. Huh?
Like Alice. Oh, you can rip this off.
Mmm.
Mom,
They're made with a soft wafer shell and smooth almond cream.
what? Where's my seashell?
Yum.
Not bad.
I will give it a thumbs up.
Not too bad.
Sorry.
Not too good.
Next, we are going to try
2019
From the
party bag for
UK.
New Year's.
Thank you.
pink champagne candy.
Champagne.
This contains no alcohol, is champagne flavoured. This is from Scotland. Traditionally, the first person to enter a home on New Year's Eve is called the first foot and will either bring good or bad luck in the coming year. To ensure good fortune, the first foot should be a tall man with dark hair. Blondes and redheads are considered terribly unlucky. Once the first foot is chosen, he must come bearing gifts. A coin for prosperity, bread for food, salt for flavour, coal for warmth, and most importantly, a drink for good cheer.
Good.
Mm. That's nice.
I'm gonna sing that Shuffle Guy song. Champagne showers. Champagne showers.
Thumbs up. Okay.
Now I know what champagne tastes
Now we
like.
have got one from China. Crunchy sesame candy.
China. Boom.
I think this is the last one. Yes, it's the last one.
What's this?
Thank you.
So if you were born in 1935, 1947, 1959, 1971, 1983, 1995 or 2007, you're a pig.
Were you born in any of those years?
No. Okay, so this confection is made...
This looks like fish.
This looks odd. It is made with... Hang on. Are crumbly layers of black sesame and peanut and is only eaten during the Chinese New Year. Ugh. You're seriously having good fortune for 2019? We should wait until February 5th to try this. But, meh, we're going to try it.
No, I'm gonna wait February 5th. I want good fortune.
Me too.
Can you remind me
Just
of...
try it.
No, I want good fortune.
That's yum. Well, I think that one's yum.
I'm gonna wait till February.
No one else wants to try it.
I'm waiting till
Okay.
February 5th.
Right, so, what one was your favourite yum?
Fortune.
Do you know what my favourite yum ended
The
up
coffee.
being? The hot chocolate. Is
Mine
that yours
too.
too? Yep. What one are you choosing?
That
The gingerbread one? That was good too, wasn't it? Right, least favourite one. I am going to say the prickly pear candy because it had no taste.
Same.
What was your least favourite, Amelia? Your least favourite, the one you didn't like. The prickly pear as well? Alright, so none of us like the prickly pear. Well, that is it, guys. I hope you guys have a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, and we will see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.